Hari Om and a very good morning to all my dear colleagues. I wish all of us to be blessed by our Parama Gurus on this very sacred day of Guru Purnima today. Sapita Sachame Mata Sabandhu Sacha Devata Sansara Mohanashaya Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. He is the father, he is the mother, he is the relative and God who frees us from the delusion of this samsara. Therefore, let us prostrate to that Paramaguru, Sadguru. Guru illumines our life by taking us to that spirit, to the God. He only shows us the path, the right path in our life to live. He is Guru. He removes the darkness from our life. So let us all prostrate to the Guru Parampara, starting from Lord Shiva to Bhagavan Vedavyasa, Adi Sankaracharya, Puchya Gurudev, and then to our own Gurus. Let us prostrate to everybody to be blessed. Dear teachers, do you know something? All of you who are watching this video, we are all blessed with two gifts today morning. You will be wondering, what are those two gifts? Yes, the two gifts are our own two eyes which we have opened today morning, because last night has become last night for many, but we are blessed that we have got up with these two eyes to open to see this beautiful world given to us by the God. So these are two wonderful gifts we have got because we are lucky people actually, and we are blessed by the Lord. So if we have been given these beautiful two gifts, why not to make our days more beautiful and more meaningful? Because if our day will be nice, then each day makes our whole life. The journey will be life. So let's do 5 things to make our life good, make our day good. The first one, let us begin our day with gratitude. Let us not charge our laptops, mobile, tablets, watches, but let us charge our own self with positive emotions which are going to make our day a most beautiful one. So that is our duty too. And one of the most positive of all kinds of feelings, that is being grateful or expressing our gratitude. In this way, our mind is going to shift to all the blessings that we get in our life from others. Blessings from the nature. Morning only the breeze blows, the raindrops and the beautiful sunlight and the flowers, whatnot and whatnot. If you see how much we should express our gratitude to the Lord, to our parents, to our friends, to the society. So if we concentrate on that, we shall be feeling that how much blessed we are, rather than focusing on our problems and becoming exhausted with the problems. So let us be grateful and remain happy. And the second thing I would suggest is, let us resolve to have a positive vision. I will say actually, including ourselves, everybody in the world is having some faults, having some shortcomings. We are not perfect. Everyone is having a good part and not so good part. But our general tendency is to focus on the not so good part of the others, so that our mind becomes kept there. So let us resolve that we will see only the positive side of the people and neglect or deal with the negative side or the darker side. Otherwise, our mind becomes occupied with others' faults always, and our whole day is going to be ruined actually. That way our peace, our joy, and finally our relationship is also going to be destroyed. So that's why Let's take a resolution for today, whole day. I will see the good side, not the not so good side. And the third one, our teachers, I will say, do the small things in the right way. Let us do all the small things right, because small things only show our attitude. After getting up, we do our bed. If we do not do our bed perfectly, it may so happen that you are too tired and you are coming back to take rest on your bed, which you had only made. If you have not made it properly, you will not get that peace. So that is why let us do the very small things in our life in a right manner, because if we can't do the small things right, we cannot do big things also right way. So if we take care of small things, bigger thing or the whole day and whole life ultimately will be taken care of automatically. And the fourth thing, dear colleagues, it is, let us decide that today, at any cost, I will help someone. I'll make someone cheerful. I'll bring one smile in the lips, because everybody we meet, we do not know. Everybody struggles for a life. Life is a struggle for everyone. So we do not know who is struggling. So let us make at least one. Let us be kind. Let us show empathy. Let us be considerate for at least one person, and let us help somebody. Empathy, love has no replacement in our life. So if we do so, definitely our day will be fantastic. The last one is, let us connect to spiritualism. For 5 minutes, let us read one Shastra, Bhagavad Gita, one stanza, or let us listen to the words of our own Guru. It's very plentifully and easily available nowadays. So let us spend 10 minutes time in the morning only on this. Let us connect to spiritualism. Spiritualism is that which unfolds our own self and shows us the right path in our life to walk. In this way, let us understand one thing. Every morning comes with lots of challenges. We get up, that today so many challenges. But every evening leaves us with more wisdom and more knowledge, more experience, and which if we gain, if we realize, then next day again we are going to get up with these two beautiful gifts, that is our two eyes. But condition is, if we are allowed to get up next morning by the Lord. Have a nice day, fantastic day, and I wish blessings of Gurudev to everybody. Thank you.